Good morning. This is Christopher Maher. I'm an attorney in Mahopac, New York. This is our Friday morning legal topic that we have our weekly discussion on. This week, the discussion centers on something that has repeatedly been brought to my attention by people, and it has to do with this post-COVID world that we're operating in and the effect of this virus on contracts that people sign every day for things like college tuition and agreements with colleges and universities for their children to attend, catering, social functions, season passes, contracts that we think nothing about because we've been doing them for so long. But people continually come to me and they say, what do I do here? I signed up for a function and now I can't go to the function because of COVID, or I signed up to travel and took all those steps and now I can't travel because there's a pandemic shutdown in wherever I'm going, or the airline is not refunding my money. The time to think about it and do something about it and avoid getting involved in costly long-term litigation is when you're negotiating, which is when you have your best bargaining power. You either think about it yourself, or you contact your attorney and have your attorney provide you with some suggestions, or look at the contract him or herself on your behalf. It's difficult now because it's all still so new. But if you want your money back for a membership in some organization or function that you could not partake of, you have to basically put your foot down and you have to say, I want my money back. I wasn't able to participate in this because of something related to COVID, or it had to be canceled by your end because of COVID. And if you're refusing to refund the money, the bottom line is that you have to tell them that you're prepared for litigation and that you are prepared to fight them. But the best way to fight them is when you're sitting down at the very start of it. You have to look yourself and you have to say, with regards to the college or university where my son or daughter is enrolled in, they have spent a semester not partaking in any of the extracurricular and social activities that make college or university life what it's been sold to you as, and your son or daughter is sitting holed up in their room in a dormitory somewhere. You have an obligation to say, look, I didn't get the bang for my buck that I was told when I signed on here that I would get. So I'm entitled to a refund. Do it before you sign on the dotted line, so to speak. And if you have any questions about it, you can call the number on the bottom of the screen, or you can call your own attorney, but don't assume that you're going to get any type of satisfaction unless you have prepared for it in advance and have spelled out in the contractual agreement that you've entered into with whoever the provider is, whether it's a season pass for some social events or as I said before, the one that keeps coming back to my office is college and universities not being able to provide the contract signers' children or child with what they thought they were going to get by enrolling in that college or university. So call my office anytime, call your own attorney anytime. And if there's anything we can do for you, please let us know. Thank you so much.